Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to walk you through the steps to create a guild on Discord. But before we dive in, keep in mind this is currently an experimental feature and not all servers have access to it just yet. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first things first, this feature is only available in a small group of servers selected by Discord itself. So let's find out if your server is qualified. So open your Discord application. You can use the Discord app or the website and go to the server where you want to set up the guild. And so now what you have to do is you have to go to your server settings. So for that, click on this small drop down menu over here and go to server settings. Now what you have to do is just scroll down, and right over in the app section you should be able to see a section called guild creation. So if you see the section, great, you can move on to the next step, and if not, then unfortunately your server hasn't been granted access yet. Discord is still testing this feature with a limited number of communities, so it may take some time for your server to actually get the access of guild creation. Now let's assume you actually have the qualifications to customize or create your guild. So what you have to do is, once you click on create guild, that you will find after clicking on guild creation option, which you can see right over here, Discord will guide you through a setup wizard where you can customize everything about your guild. So here is what you can configure. First will be your guild type. Choose whether your community is for casual gamers, hardcore players, or a niche interest group. Then you have to choose the topic tags. So let others know what your guild talks about, like anime, strategy games, or tech talks. After that, the next thing that you have to choose is budget. So assign budget to active members, moderators, or top contributors. And once you have done that, the next thing that is left is the visual look. So upload a guild icon, banner, and customize color to match your server's vibe. Remember, not all servers currently have access to this feature. If you don't see the pop-up of guild creation in the settings menu, don't worry, Discord might roll it out more widely in the future. So that's it. If your server is eligible, you now know exactly how to set up your own Discord guild and start customizing it for your community. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and take care.